How to enable cash account on Robinhood. In this video, I'll show you how to enable a cash account on Robinhood so you can trade without worrying about the pattern day trading rule. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded Robinhood on your phone. If you're an iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and if you're an Android user, you can download it from Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open Robinhood app. And make sure to log into your account. After you log into your account, you will see this home page, and here on the bottom right corner you can see person icon. Click on it. Now click on this three line on the top left corner and click on settings. Scroll down and tap on account type. Here you'll see your current account type like instant or margin. Now tap on switch to cash account. Read the info carefully and confirm the change. Robinhood may take few days to process your request. You'll get a notification once your account is officially switched. Keep in mind that with a cash account, you will need to wait for funds to settle before you can use them again, usually about 2 days after a trade. And that's it. This is how you can enable cash account on Robinhood. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.